What's up, boys? I'm borrowing my bitches today. Bitch 1 and bitch 2.
Who are you talking to? Let me introduce this the right way. What up, guys? Check my... Oh, he had my shit. So you don't even know how to use my shit. Why my shit so zoomed in? Oh, shit. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, let me start this vlog off the right way. It's 59 degrees out, probably one of the coldest days here in Connecticut so far this year. Supposed to be 45 degrees tonight. Oh! Oh my god.
Almost got Mac.
Somebody almost got Mac right here in front of us. Anyways, it's gonna be 45 degrees tonight. They got a test and tune up in New Hampshire. We got the black Nitro All Motor car in the trailer. If you guys don't know that car's history, we went 9-1 with a 90 by 99 K24 in it. What was it, last year?
Yeah.
So today we're going to the track, hoping to break the 8-second barrier with that car. Shouldn't be too hard to do. The car has fully built engine, sequential.
Don't fuel tech now.
Fuel tech, baby. You ready to fucking drive? Show me.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah,
show us.
Yeah, show us.
Okay.
And you guys seen in one of the last videos how easy a turbo car is to go to the track with. Nitro car is a little bit different. Got to change oil, spark plugs, fuel. There's a lot more to it. Nitro car, you got to bring 2 things of gas. But let me get a ET estimate.
I'm not even gonna go there.
Don't even go there.
I'm gonna tell him straight up.
What?
Let me see.
We're going ace, motherfucker.
And those of you guys who haven't seen, I'm gonna race J-Rock next week.
You don't want this smoke, bro.
I don't want to hear you talk. He made an Instagram post. That shit went like almost viral. That shit, my Instagram blew up. Who you got your money on? You got your money on me? You guys see me shift. I know you guys see the intro every time you watch this video. You see? J-Rock, they seen you drive.
You know what
they
they're
seen you
gonna
drive
say?
one time,
You know what
bro.
they're gonna put in the comments?
They like J-Rock's washed up and he's old.
They're
That's what they're
like,
gonna say.
You need to put J-Rock shifting in your intro.
Oh.
You need to upgrade your intro.
Nah, my intro is perfect with that Type R. That's gonna bust that ass. What happens when you lose, though?
I'm not losing. You're gonna have to change your channel.
I just want to know what happens when you lose. If you lose the race, what's going down?
What's not gonna happen?
I don't want to hear a call out from you ever again. Dead ass. I don't want to hear no call out from you, and I need you to call me Shift Daddy for 3 weeks straight. Nope. Every time the intro starts, I need you to call me, hey, Shift Daddy, what's up?
I don't want to hear no rerun with your turbo car.
No, you ain't getting no rerun from me. Gotta remember, my shit's heavier than his shit, and his shit makes more power.
You're already making excuses.
I'm not making no excuses. I'm just gonna show you that I'm gonna bust that ass with less.
I'm gonna split that wig, bro.
Yeah, you guys ever heard less is more? That's what's gonna happen right here.
Yeah, less weight.
Check out what his fat ass is eating, though.
It's gonna be a good race, baby.
We're going to pick my boy Jamie up. Heading to New Hampshire. Got about a 3-hour ride. I'll see you guys when we get to the track.
2 bitches riding in the back. What's up, pussies?
So you guys know we couldn't go to the track without picking my son up.
Oh, man.
And I just want to say one thing while we on camera. He lucky his green car ain't ready. That's all I gotta say.
I'll go get another green car out.
If his green car was ready, I would have gave you the brake and busted that ass.
Oh, here we go.
I'm gonna start on the bullshit today, just get a fire under your ass.
There's no fire needed. I treated you the last 7 times we raced.
I don't think I ever beat him yet. The boys stopped at the gas station, so I figured I'd come out, show you guys the car, show you guys what's going on. Got my trailer loaded. Got 2 different sets of tires. One's obviously newer than the other. And then here we have the motor car. So this is the car that we're gonna be racing. You guys seen this in the last video, but right here, Nitro All Motor Car. I'll show you guys more of this car when we get to the track. Pretty much ready to go. So when we get there, we have to just put gas. Oil's already changed, tech the car in, and I think we're good to go. So we just got to the track, got the car unloaded, about to put the slicks on. This car looks fucking great. I don't know if you noticed, man, it's cold. It's been like really cold lately. The weather dropped to, I think it's 50, it's like 50 something degrees, but that's how the car is sitting. We got the blue wheels on today because I put like newer tires on them. The old ones need tires, but yo, it's cold. Yo, Jack, I ain't see you shiver in a long time. Give you guys a quick walk around the car. Show you guys the interior. Yo, I hope you ready.
You're not ready?
I hope you haven't smelled nitro for like a year. This car looks great. So pretty much what we do, we get to the track here, we gotta go tech in, and then my brother got me a driver's van, so he's hoping, I think he's gonna get 2 passes in the car. I might get the last one, I don't know yet, depending on how it goes or whatever. But I got one GoPro 360. Hopefully my SD card's not full. That way I get the in-car view. I don't have a GoPro mount for the outside, so I'm gonna try to get the in-car view for you guys. So it's already 6 o'clock. I think track closes at 10, so I think we're gonna try to get 3 passes today. So it's super cold out here, kind of windy. It's at 18-mile-an-hour winds, but I think we should be all right. DA, I think, is gonna be like negative 400 tonight, but wish us luck. Yeah, check the chemist out though, huh? Yeah, Jack is behind the scenes shit that nobody sees.
Nobody. You guys shouldn't be watching this right now.
The shit that kind of people don't even show though. We're at the track. Our boys outside mixing.
Norris, if you're watching, I'm still your daddy.
Yeah, I ain't even gonna cut that out. So we're mixing fuel. We got the car teched in. Slicks are on. Gotta add gas and maybe change the spark. We'll probably change the spark plugs out real quick. Super windy out. Our brother's taping the car up. Yo, tell the viewers why you do that.
Because when that nitro gets inside the cabin, forget
Over.
about it.
I don't know if you guys ever smelled nitromethane. It's bad. Like, it burns your eyes while you're at the line. So you gotta cover pretty much anything, any cabin that has anything in the cabin that has holes. Like, we have all the firewall stuff plugged off. It's pretty much just the cowl. Car's fully teched in. Got the numbers on there right there. We're pretty much good to go. Tech checks for a lot of safety stuff. That's what it is. Make sure all your seatbelts are up to date, your cage is certified, pretty much all that. So can't wait to go up there and make a hit. Yeah. Do you even know how much nitro Jamie put in here?
No.
No? That smells lethal, J-Rock. Check out the can.
I miss that smell.
You missed the smell?
We need to water it down a little bit.
It's too much?
A little bit. It's like a long night of drinking. You ain't waking up with a headache?
If you guys know Jamie loves nitro. This shit'll wake you up real quick.
They say Jamie puts nitro in cereal.
He put nitro in his coffee, bro. I'm gonna cut this clip short. Can't show you guys how much nitro is going in this car. Yeah, you ready, bro? Huh?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Check out my kids.
Yo, I hope you didn't pour 50-50 in my shit.
Oh, the disrespect. He said he poured 50-50 in his shit. You lucky he ain't pouring straight 100 in your shit. Alright, so I got a GoPro 360 in the passenger side. I hope my SD card's not full. If not, I'll get the in-car. Check that idiot out. So about to go to the line, make our first hit since we got here. It took us like quite a bit. Here we go, first pass of the night. Valve cover gasket took a shit and put oil down everywhere. So we put a new valve cover gasket on it, OEM Honda one, right there. So now we're just putting the diaper back up, and then we loaded the car with fuel, charging the battery, and then we should go for the second pass. I think I'm driving, so wish me luck.
Yo, how you end up in here?
I don't fucking know. How are you supposed to fucking drive?
Yeah, what were you saying earlier? If you break it, you buy it?
Yeah, you.
Nah, not me.
Got me.
Nah, miss me with that.
You fucking got me.
Yeah, we need to see something.
I'm gonna show you fucking something.
You got your glizzy in there?
I got my glizzy in my back pocket, baby.
I bet you do.
I got double glizzy, double butt. What you got in your hand, bro?
You guys ever wondered what nitro oil looked like?
Nitro oil?
Yeah. When you change oil in a nitro car,
That looks like milk.
you would be scared. You would think you popped the head gasket.
That's the first. When I first ran nitro, that's what I thought. I thought I popped the head gasket.
It's normal. That's what nitro cars look like.
That's probably like $150 in there.
Probably. I jumped in the car. First, the car spun first and second gear. Went 9.3. What was your PB in the car? 9.1 what? 9.12. I'm gonna try to beat that tonight. I'm gonna try to. If I can get, let me tell you something. If I can get if the short track is there, this shit's going 8. I promise you. If the short track is there, this shit's going 8. Boys kind of out of the track. Second pass in the car, 9.3. The track's a little shitty. It's super cold. It's like 40 something degrees. So 9.3 at 149 it went. This car should be trapping like 160 something, but the shit, like, the track really isn't there today. Hopefully we can get a good number out of it by the time we leave. But what you guys think? Track is shit, right?
Did you show the people your floor suit already?
My what?
Your floor suit?
You threw fucking Jordan's jacket to the side.
Bro,
you got a Louis Vuitton jacket.
He gave me some, like, what is that brand? What brand is that? What brand is that, so I can tell it?
I'm gonna put that jacket on when I bust that ass.
What brand is that? What brand jacket is that?
Race Quip.
Race Quip. If you got a Race Quip jacket, throw that shit in the garbage. That shit feels like fucking like cardboard when I put this shit on. Get yourself a nice Sparko. Get yourself a little full suit.
You should cut
That shit right there,
inside, right?
that shit will give you road rashes putting it on.
Louis Vuitton on the inside, right?
My shit Louis down on the inside. I have to pay extra for that. But yeah, don't buy that Race Quip bullshit Jordan got. I don't know where the fuck he got that shit from. Flea market or tag sale.
That shit works.
You put this shit on right here,
Listen.
you'll feel like you're going 8 in an 1150 car.
Yo, tell him put some respect on it.
Check it out.
Help me put it on, it's a little stiff.
Yo, he's like struggling. Yo, I kid you not. I don't know if you could hear this shit. This shit is like straight cardboard. Race
It's
Quip.
uncomfortable because I got a hoodie on.
Race Quip, do better. Look, you can tell this shit is massive. Look at me. My shit looks like a regular hoodie. His shit is hella stiff.
What's crazy is I spent like $380 on this suit.
380?
Yeah.
I think I spent like
Look at that jacket.
this one. He said 380.
380 for the whole thing. How much was yours?
I bought the suit, neck brace, gloves, pants, and shoes. It was like almost, I think it was a little over 1,000.
You got no pockets.
My shit don't got no pockets either though. What you think is a hoodie? But you can look, like, put your arm up real quick. Yeah, you guys see how that cardboard, look, it's like sticking. Like you can't even put that shit down. I don't know if you guys seen, we changed the wheels over. We got a bigger tire on a 13, I think by 9 or by 10 on here. But we changed the wheels over to get a little bit extra grip because it's super cold out here. They call my boy Poor Daddy over here. Daddy. Yo, can you turn it up just a little bit for me? No. Last pass of the night didn't go too good, so I'll kind of fill you guys in on kind of what happened. So last pass we went 9.3, so I get to the burnout box for the third pass. Do burnout, everything looks good. Once I get up to the line, the guy back there tells me shut it off. So it looked like it was water on the floor, but it wasn't. Backed the car up. The regulator, the fuel pressure regulator ended up breaking. Thank God it happened at the line at 9 and I passed, because God forbid something happens and catches fire or whatever. But last pass is a pretty shitty day. Sucks to drive 3 hours to get 2 passes, 1 pass. That's probably 9.3 is probably the worst pass ever made in this car. This car's been 9.1. Usually short track's really good, but tonight is just super cold. Track prep's not there. Kind of bummed because this is an 8-second car, you know, but we'll get there. I'm gonna change the regulator out when we get back. Sorry I couldn't bring you guys something better, but you guys see a 9.3 pass. It's kind of the shit that we go through, you know. Not every time we go to the track is like good. We get a lot of bad, to be honest, but it's a lot of trial error. Shit happens, parts break. It is what it is. 3-hour ride back, 9.3. Hopefully next outing with the car we can bring you an 8-second pass, or it might be on M1, but yo, look how windy it is. It's bad. Yo, Jesus Christ.
You know what would blow away?
What?
My stiff ass jacket.
But yeah, guys, got the regular street tires back on. We drained the fuel. I'll get the car back to the shop. The regulator broke, so right here it's like spitting out fuel from the breather. So that the diaphragm probably broke inside the regulator. That regulator's been in the car since 2019, but they made new ones out. Honestly, I didn't know this car had this regulator on it, because I would have got the new one on here, but hey, shit happened. Super cold out, man. Nonetheless, still badass car. 9.3 off the trailer, not driving it all year. Still not bad, so. Yo, Jamie, next outing we going 8s, baby. No, we're going to. We are going 8s. So maybe this weekend, but see you guys on the next track day. Sorry I couldn't bring you guys more content. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
That's a wrap, boys.
Quick intermission. This is how you pull up to Wendy's like a fucking boss, right? This drive-through shit was dumb tight. I'm gonna show you guys this corner. So tight. So tight, he couldn't bend the corner.
They ain't believing us.
Wendy's did. Yo, that corner is so tight. He ate the curb right there. Had to get out the truck to get food. Oh my God. That shit was too funny.
Yo, I'm good at filling big things in tight spaces.
I beg to differ.
Let me guess he find out on you.